Hello dear student, how are you? I hope all of you are well and your study also going on very well. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Krishna Chandra and from today I will teach you chemistry. You know your reduced syllabus, you have only 13 chapters and we will study one by one. The first chapter we have written here some basic concepts of chemistry. In this chapter we will discuss about all the laws of chemical combination and mole concept, molecular weight, atomic weight, empirical formula, etc. we will discuss in this chapter. Okay, this is very important chapter. You should know about all the topic in this chapter. Okay, so first of all, I would like to once again to explain the definition of chemistry because I am studying about the chemistry. We are studying about the chemistry. So first of all, we should know what is the definition of chemistry. You know, chemistry is the branch of science. Chemistry is the branch of science that studies the composition, properties, structure and interaction of matter. This is the simple definition of chemistry. You can write as chemistry is the branch of chemistry is the branch of science that studies the composition properties, structure and mutual interaction of matter. Okay, the very simple definition you can learn it. Chemistry is the branch of science that studies the composition, properties, structure and mutual interaction of matter. Okay, from today we will discuss from that topic matter. One word right here, what is matter? We should know that matter is a substance that can occupy space and having mass. Matter is anything having mass and occupies space, also you can say. Okay, from today, first of all you should know, dear student, universe are made of only two things. One is matter and second one is energy. And after that question arises, what is matter and what is energy? You know, matter is a substance having mass and occupies spaces, or you can say volume. Okay, now we will discuss one by one here. First of all, I am going to write universe, and universe is made of by the combination of two things. Universe is made of by the combination of two things. One is matter and second one is energy. Okay, matter you can see around us and energy you cannot see, but you can feel it. You can feel it like electric energy, fire, etc. are the form of energy. Okay. Now matter further classified into two categories on the basis of state and on the basis of chemical composition. Then matter further classified into two categories. One is physical classification, physical classification, physical classification, and second one is chemical classification, chemical classification. In this classification, the matter is classified on the basis of state of matter. On the basis of state of matter. You know, we have only three states of matter. We can see solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. So, physical classification on the basis of state of matter, we know we have only three states of matter: solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. Okay. And chemical classification, in this classifications matter is classified on the basis of chemical composition. Okay. Chemical composition, matter classified mainly in two categories. One is pure substance, and second is mixture. Okay. Also you can say impure substance, or you can say impure substance. Okay. Pure substances further classified into two categories. One is elements and second one is compounds. Okay. Elements further classified into three categories. We have only three types of elements in the periodic table. One is metal, second one is non-metals, and third one is metalloids. Okay. Compounds further classified into two categories. One is inorganic compound, and second one is organic compound. Okay, dear student, mixture further classified into two categories. One is homogeneous mixture, and second is heterogeneous mixture. Okay, this is the classification of matter, and universe is mainly made up by the combination of two things. One is matter and second one is energy. Matter, you know the definition of matter. You have already studied in 9th class what is the definition of matter. Matter is anything, or you can say the substance that have mass and occupies space is called matter. Everything is matter. I have marker is matter, board is matter. You can see around yourself like chair, furniture, वगैरह, house, everything is matter. Okay, that occupies space and having mass. Okay, now matter further classified on the basis of state and on the basis of chemical compositions. On the basis of state, it is physically classified. In this written is physical classification. In this classification, matter is classified on the basis of state of matter. You know, we have only three state of matter: solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. We have written here solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. Chemical classification. In this classification, matters are classified on the basis of chemical composition, and chemical classification further classified into two categories. One is pure substances and second one is mixtures, and you can say mixtures or you can say also impure substances. Okay. Now pure substances further classified into two categories: elements and compound. Elements further classified into three categories: metals, non-metals and metalloids. All these are you have studied in 9th class, I hope. Okay. Compound, one is inorganic compound and second one is organic compounds. That means compounds are classified into two categories further: inorganic and organic. Mixture also classified into two categories. One is homogeneous mixture and second one is heterogeneous mixture. Okay. Now we will discuss one by one. What is solid state, what is liquid state and what is gaseous state. You know very well what is solid state. You know, in solid state the molecules are closely packed to each other. Okay. And molecule, due to closely packing, molecule cannot move. So but molecule can be vibrate on their axis. Okay. Only molecule can vibrate in this state. Due to closely packing, due to closely arrangement of molecules in this state, they are rigid. Okay. And having fixed volume and fixed shape. The substance which have fixed shape and fixed volume is called solid state, and solid state due to the closely arrangement of particles, you can say molecules, atoms or ions. Okay. Next one is liquid state. In liquid state molecules are arranged, but comparison to solid state there are more intermolecular spaces between the particles. Particles means maybe molecules, atoms or ions. Okay. Now in gaseous state, due to the large intermolecular spaces between the liquid state comparison to solid state, molecule can move free movement. Molecule can show free movement in their boundary. Okay. Now gaseous state. One thing more. Liquid state have fixed volume but do not have fixed shape. It occupy the shape of the container in which they are kept. Okay. The example of liquid state, the water, oil, milk, etc. Okay. Now gaseous state. About the gaseous state, you know very well, gaseous state, in this state molecules are so far to each other, that is why they can randomly move, so movement hold the container, or you can say molecule of the gaseous state can be compressed in a small volume due to large. Why? This is due to large intermolecular spaces between the molecules of gaseous state. Gaseous state can be compressed into smaller volume. Okay. And next one is chemical compositions. You know chemical compositions. About the chemical compositions we will discuss in the next video. Okay. So dear student, you will prepare your notes by watching the video. Okay, thank you, all the best.